the clock. Mochi's juggling love and life around the block. Three sisters, one house, chaos on the dock. But when they fall apart, they patch the ticking clock. Mona's in the kitchen, flames kiss the pan. Burned food again, she swears it's part of the plan. Meadow's typing fast, eyes glued to the screen. Workaholic warrior, living the caffeine dream. Mochi's on the couch, remote in her hand. Married life's a sitcom she can barely withstand. Bills pile like mountains, the fridge is a ghost. Grocery list wars, who buys what, who spends the most. Mona says let's cook and not just microwave. Meadow, breathe out, you're not a work slave. Mochi laughs, honey, I'm the family glue. But when it's crunch time, I'm lost without you. Three flavors clash in a recipe bizarre, but together they shine like a shooting star. Meadow's on the treadmill, counting every mile. Sweat dripping down, she frowns but can't smile. Mona's got a cold, self-medicates with tea. Herbal or sugar, the debate's a spree. Mochi's lending cash to a neighbor in need. Charity starts here, she says, with good speed. Workloads unfinished, laptops on the bed. House chores laughing while they're half-fed. Meadow snaps you to slow down and breathe. Mona, stop the smoke or we'll all seethe. Mochi winks, I'm juggling love and strife. But sisters, you're the rhythm in my life. Three different beats in a single song. Together they're right even when things go wrong. Utility bills, a puzzle unsolved. Mona's math is wild, Meadow's problems revolved. Mochi's calm voice cuts through the